How to access Telegram Cloud. In today's video, we're going to show you how to access Telegram Cloud. That's right, your files, photos, and chats are stored on Telegram's cloud, and I'll walk you through how to access them. So let's get into it. First things first, open up the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Now, Telegram stores your messages, medias, and files in the cloud, so all of your chats are automatically synced across all devices. To access them, just go to any chat and scroll through your messages. Let's say this one. Now, even if you've cleared chats or deleted messages, they're still available in Telegram's cloud and you can get them back if needed. To see your media and files, just tap on the chat you want to look at and simply tap on the name of the chat at the top and it will take you to the chat info screen. From here, you can scroll down to shared media over here if you have shared anything, and you'll be able to see all the files, photos, and videos and documents shared in the chats. These files are stored in Telegram's cloud, so you can access them even if you delete the chat. Now, using the search feature for cloud content, another way to access is by using the search icon at the here, and you can simply type in the words and you can find it. This is super handy if you need to find a specific file or message you can't remember the name of. Now, since everything in is stored in the cloud, you can access your files and chat across all devices, whether you're on your phone, tablet, or desktop. Your messages, files, and media are always in sync. And that's it, you've now got full access to Telegram.